if you're new here. So I just got done journaling my feelings away. This is my journal and I'm sure you guys saw this as well. This is my manifestation journal. In this one, I journal all of my feelings, like how I'm feeling and everything. I'm not gonna show this one because it's kind of like personal. And this is the one in which I write the things that I want to happen. This is like my manifestation journal. I really wholeheartedly believe in manifestation. It has worked for me before and it like always works, to be honest. I really believe in it. Also, I made some yum coffee. I
changed up my whole coffee recipe
and it's totally different now. It looks different. So it is basically a vanilla iced latte with some almond milk and some vanilla syrup, of course, and a little bit of cold foam on top. I know it sounds pretty like complicated, but it's like really easy to make. So if you guys want me to share the recipe of this concoction that I created over here, then let me know. I'll do that in like some other video because I don't want to do that in this one because like every single video of mine has a coffee recipe. So we're gonna take a pause on that. Like no matter how much coffee I drink, I will always love it. Also, you guys might be wondering why I haven't really been like posting and I've been off my YouTube game a little bit. And that's because my mental health, yeah, we're really gonna go there. My mental health has been a little down the drain. So I've been struggling a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna talk about it later on. I promise. I just don't want to make the intro long for y'all. Yeah, I've been struggling a little bit and I want to keep everything real with you, so I am telling you. So yeah, basically the whole summary is this. I really need to do some self-care and take care of myself. And self-care doesn't just mean like face mask and stuff. We are gonna do that because like fun. I need to take care of my skin as well, of course, but like that's not everything. You have no idea how much journaling helps me. Like it is literally the best thing ever. I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm gonna just lay down, chill for a little bit and finish my coffee, and then we'll see what we wanna do today. Also, if you haven't seen my room transformation video, what have you been doing? Go watch it. I love y'all. Out of the shower now and I'm wearing like super comfy clothes. I'm wearing this really big t-shirt. I'm wearing like super big shorts which belongs to my brother. And now is the time for some skincare. I don't have those fancy clips that everybody has and I like really want them. Okay, let's go like one by one. I'm gonna be using this nose pore strip that I got like a while back from Miniso and like never used it. So today's the day. I mean, I have used one of these before and these hurt like a bitch to remove. Let's do it. Now I'm gonna put on some eye patches. I have these ones from Pixie. I'm gonna quickly put them on. Today is like the ultimate self-care day. I've never, not like never, but like it's been really long since I've done one of these, so today's the day. We're going all out. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this clay mask from Innisfree. This is a really popular mask. I've heard like great things about this and like I've even like tried it myself and this has to be the best one I've ever used. So if you haven't used it yet, I mean like where are you? My mirror is like there, so I'm gonna apply it looking there. With this and I'm just gonna keep all of this on for like 20 minutes. Not my eye patch is sliding down. I think I look super cute right now. A Vogue model. I'll see you soon. I need to remove this now. It's been like 20 minutes around that. This is gonna hurt to remove. I did this to myself. I'm gonna remove the eye patches first. Shit, not me crying right now. See me cry on camera for 2 minutes straight. Yeah, I'm crying and my nose is all red. I'm gonna tie my hair back and take this mask off. It hurt. Okay, I'm gonna open up my hair because we wanna look cute for the video. Now for my skincare routine. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my toner. I use this one from the Face Shop. It's that chia seed range. This is my favorite one. I'm just gonna take a little bit right on my face and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. And now we're gonna wait for like 30 seconds for it to like soak up into my skin. Okay, step number 2 is my serum. I use this one from the Face Shop. All of my skincare is from the Face Shop. This is their collagen one. Do not forget your neck. It is really important. This is gonna take like a little bit to like soak in into your skin. So I'm gonna wait for a minute before I go ahead with something else. And my battery is flashing, so I'm gonna change my battery. Step number 3 is a moisturizer. I use this one again from the Face Shop, my favorite. It's the chia seed range, the same one as the toner. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It's baby pink. I love it. You know, it's the small things. I'll just take a little bit. Okay, and step number 4 is the sunscreen. Again, from the Face Shop. This is my favorite one. Just gonna use a little bit of this because I'm not gonna leave my house today. Or like I ever leave my house. Yeah, but like sunscreen is really, really important. Not me having a million steps in my skincare routine. But these are all like important steps. So like, I can't skip these. Next is this Innisfree eye cream. Very, very little amount of it, like very little on my ring finger because that is like the most gentle finger and that's the one you should be using for your under eyes. Okay, so the lighting's changing. Sorry about that. But the last product that I use is this Laneige lip balm. My favorite, hands down. I really, really like it. I'll just take a little bit and put it onto my lips. Look how cute. I always keep this in the fridge though. Okay, so that was my whole skincare routine. Hope you all enjoyed it. But now I'm gonna go and chill for a little bit. I'm like really tired. And then we'll see what we wanna do. Hello, we're in the kitchen. Why, you may ask? I really didn't want to eat dal for lunch, so I decided I'm gonna cook today. And I have my phone right here and I have a recipe opened up on the internet. So the internet is gonna help us today. I'm attempting kadhai paneer. Okay, so this is either gonna be the best thing ever or the most epic fail ever in history of food. I made another coffee. This is what it looks like. I haven't mixed it yet. It looks delicious. Got these little cute glasses from like Amazon. I'll link it down for you. I love these. This was like a pack of 2 for like 400 or 600, I'm not sure. It's really hot, I'm melting, but we're gonna attempt this and hopefully it will be good. So let's do it. Let's see. Like, can you see how sweaty I am right now? But like, okay, let's attempt it. We can do it. Hopefully it will be good. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the first step is chopping everything. I just want to get all the chopping out of the way. Did I ever tell you I'm like really good at chopping? Like, I'm really good at it. I might not be the best at cooking, but I'm like really good at chopping. I'm so sweaty right now, so please just ignore that. But I'm done making the paneer. I made that. The whole kitchen is a mess and my mom's gonna kill me. That's nice. But at least I did something good. You have no idea how proud I am of myself. I am so happy. I'm really hungry. My brother's really hungry. Mom's not home. Dad's not home. Let's go and eat. I'm so proud of myself. Hello. How are we feeling? Huh? Say hello. Say hello to them. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, bye.
I've waited for so long for someone to call my own, counting down the days, wiping the tears away.
Okay, hi. So I just cut up some watermelon. I did not cut it. I actually like scooped it with an ice cream scooper because first of all, cutting a watermelon is not easy. Second, this was really easy. I don't know where I got this genius idea from, but I was suddenly like, wait, I can use this, and it worked like magic. So okay, so let's talk a little bit. First off, I'm gonna tell you guys why I haven't really been like posting lately and why I have been like slacking on the content over here. I have been posting consistently on like Instagram, but that's a little bit easier because the reels are always like 15 to 30 seconds and I can like batch create content there. Here the videos are longer first off, and editing and everything just like takes a lot of time. I'm not saying that reels do not take effort, they do, but like every single reel around like transitions take like 5 to 6 hours to make. So basically the truth is, I don't want to hide anything from you guys, so I'm just gonna be clear. The truth is my mental health has literally been like really bad, and I've been just picking on myself, hating myself, not liking the way I look, not liking anything in general. Yeah, my mental health has been a little off for like a really long time now. It's been like 2-3 months. I've been trying to take care of myself and everything, but to be honest, I wasn't really focusing. Now today that I filmed this video, I did something for myself today, and it just feels, to be honest, like really good today. And like it's been ages since I've put on a face mask. I don't want to bore you guys, but I just want to be real with you. And I really want to get back into the swing of things now. I always like work hard on my editing, on my filming. I make sure that my content is as good as I can possibly make it. But yeah, I hope you all will understand why I have been a little off lately. Lately, I've been reading this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. I have read, I guess, 3 chapters. I'm preparing for JEE. Trust me, it's like not easy. That also contributed to my draining mental health. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my watermelon and then I'll see you guys in a little. Hi, it's much later in the night. It is currently 9:33 p.m. I haven't updated you guys for a while. The last I updated you was at like 5 p.m. I honestly haven't done much since then. I've been just like resting and having fun, eating healthy. Today is like a self-care day. I have probably mentioned that 1,000 times already. For me, self-care is eating healthy and like feeding my body food that will give it energy, but it can be different for you. If you want to eat junk today, go ahead, no problem with that at all. But yeah, now I'm just gonna lie down and watch something, probably YouTube or Netflix. I don't know, I'll decide. I just keep going like back and forth. If I'm watching YouTube, I'll just watch YouTube for like days, and if it's Netflix, then it's Netflix for days. I just keep going like back and forth. I'm just gonna wear my blue light glasses. So I'm gonna eat my dinner, watch some YouTube, and then probably sleep. I have been trying to fix my sleep schedule, which is really rough these days. So I have been trying to fix that. So hopefully I'll be successful in fixing it before going to college. I don't know where I'm going still, like no idea. I have no idea what's going on in my life, to be honest. And I don't want to bore you guys right now. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked this video, then subscribe subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and comment down below your favorite part of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Also, don't forget to give me video ideas in the comment section down below.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never